What exactly does it mean to put first things first? This is the third habit of 7 from highly effective people. It is the personal fruit, the practical fulfillment of habits 1 and 2, COMM 2007 p. 247. It is the second creation, the physical creation. It's the fulfillment, the actualization, the natural emergence of the habits 1 and 2. It's the exercise of independent will toward becoming principle-centered. It's the day-in, day-out moment by movement doing it. COMM 2007, page 247. In this speech, I explain what I need to put first. More specifically, what 2 areas in my life where I need to put first things. Let's dig in. The first area to use this habit is being a disciple to my values. My values include being responsible and trustworthy. This is most important for my personal and professional life. When I do this, not only am I showing others what I'm capable of, but I am allowing them to see that I'm a virtuous person, someone they can lean towards when they need help or to confide in someone. This habit also requires independent will, the power to do something when you don't want to do it, to be a function of your values rather than a function of the impulses or desire of any given moment. It's the power to act with integrity to your proactive first creation. COMM 2007, page 252. And I am providing just that. Now let's discuss the second area. The second area would be time management. Now, I'm not terrible with this, especially when it comes to work, but I could improve. I would be in the third generation category because it has made a significant contribution. People have begun to realize that efficient scheduling and control of time are often counterproductive. The efficiency focus creates expectations that clash with the opportunities to develop rich relationships, to meet human needs, and to enjoy the spontaneous moments on a daily basis. COMM 2007, page 253. I do not want to miss out on what the opportunity of would happen. If I manage my time better, I can become proactive, so this can allow for me to determine my values and my priorities, especially if I commit to organizing things that need to be achieved on a weekly basis, and making set times for that. My effectiveness would increase dramatically. Your crisis and problems would shrink to manageable proportions because, you'd be thinking ahead, working on the roots, doing that preventive things that keep situations from developing into crises in the first place. In time management jargon, this is called the Pareto principle. 80% of the results flow out to 20% of the activities. COMM 2007, page 262. Now, let's conclude. In this speech, I discussed my first things first. More specifically, I explained the 2 important things in my life that need to be put first. Everyone deals with fundamentally important things that, if done on a regular basis, would make a tremendous positive difference in our lives. COMM 2007, page 305.